In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Dropshipman with Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Settings area, so you are starting from the main control center of your store. This is where you can manage integrations and app-related options that connect extra tools to Shopify. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. From there, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Dropshipman and select the app from the results. When you find the correct app listing, click Install. This starts the connection process between Shopify and Dropshipman. After that, Shopify will show a permission screen. Review the access request, then click Install App to confirm. This step allows Dropshipman to work with your store data, so it can help manage products and importing. It is normal for Shopify apps to request access during setup, and confirming this is necessary for the integration to function properly. Once the app has been installed, return to the Dropshipman app dashboard inside Shopify. This is the main area where you will handle product sourcing and import tasks. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it is easier to move through the next part. Now navigate to the Product Center. Inside this section, choose the option for Import List or Add Product. This is where you begin bringing products into your Shopify store through Dropshipman. Depending on the app view, you may see one or both of these options clearly labeled, so just select the one that matches your workflow. After that, edit the product information before publishing anything to your store. Update the product titles so they are clear and easy for customers to understand. Review the descriptions and make sure they accurately explain the item and its features. Check the variants as well, such as size, color, or other available options, so everything is organized correctly. You should also review the product imagery and make sure the photos match the item and look suitable for your storefront. This editing stage is important because it helps your store look more professional and gives customers the information they need before making a purchase. Taking a few extra moments here can improve product presentation and create a better shopping experience. That covers everything you need to know.